Yes, this is the Sage 50 environment and dashboard. The first pop-up we have here is the setup guide, which takes you through how to set up in Sage 50, but for now we don't need it. So you click on close, and in case you need it, just come to the file menu and click on setup guide. Another pop-up that is new in Sage 50 2015 is the Sage advisor. So but also we don't need it at this moment, so you click on close and it shrinks into here. So anytime you need it, it will expand. Now this is Sage 50 environment and dashboard. Now what do you have? It shows that you can work in Sage 50 via two methods. Method A or method 1 is through the menu method. And what are the menus? We have the file menu, the edit menu, the list menu, maintain menu, task menu, analysis, option, report and forms, services, windows and help menus. All this will explain to us you can work in. Secondly, you can also work in Sage 50 via the icon method or the shortcut method through the dashboard. Now under the status, business status, this shows you everything you need to know about your business. I'm going to tell you this in the next video. All right, so when you want to work on customers and sales, you just come through the icon as stated, the appropriate icon, click on the appropriate icon and you'll be working. Also for vendors and purchases, once you click on the right icon, then you continue working. You achieve the same aim as if you are working using the menus. You have the inventory and services icon as well, employee and payroll shortcuts. You can use banking. You can click on banking. When you click on system, it shows you what you have here. I will explain the shortcut in the next video. So in essence, this is the dashboard of Sage 50 through which you can work, and you can use the menu method or the shortcut method.